welcome to our one take bike reviews. In today's video we're going to be looking at the Claud Butler PineLake. So what do you get? You get alloy wheels, off-road tyres, front suspension forks by Suntour. You get a steel handlebar with an aluminium stem. You get 21 gears. You get an aluminium frame. You get Shimano parts, or you get Shimano derailleurs and chain and sprocket, Suntour chain set, and you get V brakes. You get a lot with these. So this is from 2013. You're getting an alloy frame, which is worth its weight in gold. I've seen these on eBay for like 60-70 quid. You can get them cheaper than that. You want to make sure, one of the things you need to watch is that the drive isn't worn, and we've got a video that shows you how to check that. You want to make sure that the frame is true as well. You want to check the front suspension forks work, but you get a lot of bike. That's a lot of bike, and it's not going to let you down. That's the main thing. It's not going to let you down. Would I buy one? Definitely. I sold one of these new, and the customer was over the moon with it. Absolutely over the moon with it. It's not a competition mountain bike, but if you want something that looks good, it's got relatively modern tech on it, but it's hard wearing and isn't gonna break the bank, you could do a lot worse than a Claud Butler PineLake. These are great.